Hi, I'm Dr. Ameer Hassan, and I recently had hair transplant coming in from the United States of America, Texas, and I had a great experience. We had over 2,700 follicles, and as you can see here, this is the next day after the first wash. The procedure went very smoothly. Everything was discussed over messaging actually. It was a recommendation from a friend on a flight to the Middle East, and he had several family members who all had the procedure done and never stopped talking great things about Dr. Arslan and Hairmedico. They were very satisfied 6 months, 1 year out of their procedure. And so I decided to give it a try, and communication via WhatsApp or Facebook or instant messenger, whatever you like, and very straightforward. He asked me to take some pictures. I sent him pictures online through WhatsApp, and sent me a quote, gave me a list of things to do, not to do, before and after the procedure. And as you can see here, next day, post first wash, and everything looks pretty good, and I'm a very satisfied customer.
What is important in hair transplant, doctor?
I think listening to the doctor is very important. Making sure obviously you have a good base. You want to be able to make sure you have good follicles to move, right? It is a transplantation. So if you have thick hair back here, it's gonna do very well. And making sure that you send very good pictures so that there's open communication between you and the doctor.
Yeah. Okay. Hairline is very important in hair transplantation. Good hairline, natural hairline.
Yes, definitely. So one of the things that was recommended to me was not to try to do anything that wouldn't look like a natural hairline. So, you come in and you think, hey doc, I want this, this, this. And he says, no, I can move your hairline, I'll make it look more natural. And based on the pictures of what I've seen and my own result, I am very happy with it. And that's what you want. He's able to blend it in to whatever hairs you do still have existing and make it very cohesive and look very natural.
Thank you very much, doctor. You are welcome.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.